Hi there, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Marybeth Angelelli. Today, I'm bringing you inside of my Infinity Processing System sales page to do a quick overview and update of this amazing program that has been going strong since the very beginning of March this year, 2021. The very first week of March this year, it launched. I got started, and I'm loving it, and I know that you will too. If you're looking for a system that can help you and show you the ropes, the way, and the path to success, step by step, exactly what it takes to start earning income consistently on a daily basis, $50, $150, $300 days, folks, you are in the right place at the right time. So sit back and relax. This is called Infinity Processing System. Below in the description, I will put my links. When you come through my capture page, wherever you might see that, perhaps you're responding to one of my online ads, an email, a video, yoursuccessblueprint.net. That's the link to my capture page, yoursuccessblueprint.net. When you enter your best email address, you're going to be redirected right to this page here. And what you want to do is I want to invite you to be certain that you watch this video. It's very simple, very powerful, and very compelling. Watch it from beginning to end, okay? Don't take any shortcuts. It does a phenomenal job of doing all of the telling, selling, and explaining for you on IPS so you don't have to. It plays 24/7. It's automated. It literally automates this entire system. And it does an extremely good job of doing that. And it will work for you the way it works for me around the clock. Okay? So you don't have to worry about doing any telling, selling, or explaining. This is the tell all video. Okay, so be sure and watch it. Press play right here and then scroll on down. This is me, folks, right here. You'll get to meet me, learn a little bit about me, and you can even connect with me on social media. If you click on this button, it's going to bring you right into my Facebook, so you can get a glimpse into who I am and a little bit more about my lifestyle. Okay, so do check that out. How does it work? Be sure and review these steps 1, 2, and 3. It's really easy. You can review the content right here for yourself and find out if this is for you. Folks, if you're looking for a simple way to start generating income, plugging into step-by-step training so that you can start to earn while you learn, this is going to give you all of the information on what it takes, a complete blueprint and guide. You're going to be able to use and plug into step-by-step video training tutorials on how you can harness the power and potential of earning using social media, simple copy and paste ads, Craigslist, how to build an email list, how to build funnels, how to do follow-ups. You're going to be given access to scripts and what to say and all of that good stuff, folks. Literally everything you need to earn income, not only with this system, but the biggest advantages are it's all universal training, folks. What you learn inside of Infinity Processing System, you can literally take with you into any online business and succeed. Okay? So you're going to find out all about this, folks. Here's the products. Now, people are always asking me, well, what are the products? Well, there's 3 product levels, folks. We've got the starter here, which is the influencer brand for $50 plus a 25 admin. We have the elite here for $150 plus a 25 admin. We have the pro, okay, which is the highly recommended for $300 plus a 25 admin. This pro allows you to get paid on all 3 levels. This is the time of year, folks, to really get serious. You don't want to really leave any money on the table, okay? If you're like me, folks, you don't want to let sales pass you by. This is what I would recommend. Do everything that you possibly can to try to come in at the pro. And then you're going to get the elite and the starter included. It's going to put you in a position to get the best training that money can buy for a one-time price of $300, folks. Highly recommended, member to member, 100% commission. So you can earn on all levels. You come in at the pro, you're going to be able to earn unlimited $50 payments, unlimited $150 payments, and unlimited $300 payments. Once you get this going, you scale up with your marketing, you can be getting paid daily, even multiple times a day. So what do you get at the pro? Well, this is exactly what you get. You can scroll on down. You're going to, of course, be able to earn your commissions, like I just previously stated, on all three levels, 50s, 150s, and 300s. 200 pre-written ads plus 60 bonus image ads. Personal development training of the winning mindset formula and the art of persuasion and influence. You're going to gain access to the 7-day success action plan, what to do for 7 days straight. Plus, the very powerful 6-figure closing script that you can use on Facebook, you can use in conversations, you can use in emails, you can use this anywhere that you would like, okay? People are reaching out to you, they're responding to your ads. This is exactly how to respond back. You're never going to have to concern ever and worry over what to say to people when they want information from you, okay? So when that happens, folks, you just plug into the script. It's simple. And it's very powerful, and it works. You're going to learn and have access to the Facebook marketing strategies. You're going to be given the 100 best Facebook groups to post in if you want to post in groups. They're free, by the way. Craigslist marketing strategy, very low cost. You can put up ads for $5 and $10 on Craigslist, and they're going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. You're going to have access to our Facebook support group as well as our proof group. You're going to be able to learn YouTube mastery, Instagram marketing strategies, how to create your 6-figure sales funnel. That's an invaluable skill that you're going to be able to take, folks, with you wherever you go for the rest of your life. 30 email follow-ups to close your sales on autopilot. Huge, folks. The money's in the list. You're going to learn how to build one of those. The fortune's in the follow-up. Right here, folks, you're going to be given truly the keys to the kingdom. 30 email follow-ups to close your sales on autopilot. That's huge. TikTok marketing strategy. Plus, you're going to get access to our VIP training live chat and our exclusive live webinar trainings that are hosted each and every week on an ongoing, continued basis. Again, all of this you can take with you wherever you go. Perhaps you're in another opportunity right now, or you're going to join another opportunity this week, next month. Folks, these are the skills to pay the bills. You equip yourself with this skill set, folks, you can take this with you wherever you go, into any opportunity, and never have to worry about how you are going to pay your bills again. Forget about the stress, folks. De-stress yourself. Forget about those sleepless nights, folks. This stuff is where it's at. This is truly going to help you and give you what you need to finally become a success. Brand yourself as a leader in this industry and just go on to have great continued success and build a full-time online income using the 6-figure blueprint. And the reason it's called the 6-figure blueprint is because $300 a day, once you master this, go out, apply and implement, earning $300 a day equates to a 6-figure a year annual income online, okay? And there's even an income calculator below. So check all this out, folks. Special bonuses, access to our VIP vacation voucher for a relaxed getaway, discounts on hotels and restaurants, plus you earn $300 with no monthly fees ever. And this is how I accept my payments. I can do worldwide payments through my merchant account. You click this Buy Now button, you can pay with any card. If you like Cash App, there's my Cash App. If you like Zelle, there's my Zelle, okay? What is your income earning potential? You want to be certain, absolute certain, that you watch this all-important tell-all video that lasts only 4 minutes and 24 seconds. And you can decide which level is best for you. But I do recommend doing what you can to do the pro. But if you can't, folks, get in where you fit in and know that you can always upgrade. And if you do so within a 30-day period, you're only simply paying the difference, okay? So that's exciting, truly exciting. And here is the products, folks. And If you go above, it's going to tell you what you get with each product level. But you can start playing around using these calculators. These are just examples. Of course, we can't guarantee you any income claims or make income claims or guarantees because we don't know what you're going to do when you get access to the products and the information, and we don't know your work ethic. But if you employ a good work ethic and you apply and implement the information and the training that's contained within these wonderful, easy to follow, step-by-step video training tutorials, folks, this is the potential that is awaiting you, okay? Even at the modest $50 starter level, okay? If you only did one of these a day, folks, this gives you a monthly income of an extra $1,400. For most people, that's their mortgage payment right there. That covers their car notes or their utilities. You decide how you need this money and how you need to spend it, okay, once you start making it. And then 3 sales a day once you get going, that's $4,200 a year. I'm sorry, a month. And that's only at the starter level, folks, okay? That's the $50 level where you're earning $50 per commission with no monthly fees. Now, it gets even better here, folks. This is the 150 package of the Internet Automation Secrets. 1 sale a day here, folks, monthly income, $4,200, okay? And this is very realistic and very achievable. 3 of these a day, folks. This already puts you at a 5-figure a month income. This is the potential right here of doing 3 of these a day at 150. Once you get going now, okay, and start learning, layer on as you go. Get familiar, get comfortable, get confident with one marketing strategy, and get really good. Become a master of it, folks. Go out and make it happen. And then once you master that one skill set, folks, why stop at one? There's a wealth of content and value and training here. Learn another skill. Get really good at it. Get really comfortable and really confident. Apply and implement it, folks. Then you're going to have 2 invaluable skill sets to take with you wherever you go into the marketplace. But heck, why stop at 2? That pro level is jam-packed with tons of value, tons of confidence, tons of information and content to really get you confident and become a master marketer, okay? Then layer on, learn a 3rd skill set. This is how the 6-figure a year income earners, this is how we do it, folks. We never stop learning. Learn that additional skill set, the 3rd one, and get really good, comfortable, and confident, and then take it into the marketplace and apply and implement it. And once you have 3 to 5 marketing strategies that you're doing daily, consistently, you're incorporating them into your daily method of operations, and you're washing them and you're rinsing them and you're repeating them, folks, then you can really get into the good stuff here at this 6-figure blueprint and take 1 of these a day and only 1 pro level $300 a day sale, which becomes very realistic when you apply and implement everything here. This is $8,400 a month. Imagine, what if you did 3 of these a day? We have many members that are doing 3 of these a day, folks. That comes out to $900 a day. And look at what your potential could possibly be, okay? Now remember, I can't make promises, claims, or guarantees. I can only give you the training, access to the training that you can use, plug into, apply, implement, go into the marketplace, use it to your advantage. And once you do, folks, you're going to have people looking at the system. They're going to get excited. They're going to watch that video. They're going to watch the 2nd video. They're going to review your website. And then they're going to come down and they're going to start seeing the potential that this system has. A very affordable system, folks. $300 plus a one-time admin fee with no monthly fees ever. $325, folks, to unleash this type of income potential, folks. It's here and it's doable. It's realistic. Go out there, do your research and due diligence. I encourage you. I recommend that you do. Go out to YouTube, plug in, do a search on Infinity Processing System. We'll put you into our proof group. You can see real people having real income earning days, folks, showcasing and sharing their wonderful results day in and day out. They show you proof of their $50 payments that they're receiving. They're showing you proof of their $150 payments that they're receiving. And they're showing you proof of their $300 payments that they're receiving. Right now, folks, we've been around March, April, May, June, July, August. We're coming up on 6 months. 6 months of proven success. So many testimonials are popping up by the day, by the hour. Go out there, go to YouTube, folks, see real people sharing real proof, real testimonials. You'll see my proof out there too. And advanced folks, I'd love to welcome you into the Infinity Processing System and to my team. And for joining with me, folks, I have some wonderful special incentives and bonuses. I'm going to give you my best proven paid marketing resources where you can go and get the best quality traffic and leads for the system so you can start making these wonderful $300 commissions. And I'm also going to give you my email swipe copy. Folks, it works like a charm. Okay, I've been doing this a really long time. I have great follow-ups. I have great content that I broadcast out regularly, folks. And the bottom line is it takes a percentage of my subscribers and it continues to convert them into paid signups for IPS. It can do the same thing for you too. You just got to put it to good use like I do all the time. Okay, so with that being said, folks, head on over to yoursuccessblueprint.net. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside very soon. Any questions, feel free to reach out to me, folks. Text or call. You'll have access to my personal cell below in the description. And make it a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend. Enjoy the rest of this month, folks, and I'll see you soon on another IPS video. Bye-bye.